Welcome to Sam Official Tech. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey through the world of technology, exploring the profound ways machines are revolutionizing different industries and sectors. From transportation to entertainment, machines are not only making work easier but also pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In this video, we'll look at 17 unique examples where machines are powering progress, innovation, and efficiency, helping us grow our work at an astonishing pace. Stick around for some amazing insights. The transportation industry is undergoing a massive transformation with the advent of electric and self-driving vehicles. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are leading the charge with cars that can drive autonomously, making travel safer and more efficient. Meanwhile, electric vehicles are reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, providing a cleaner and more sustainable alternative. These machines are revolutionizing how we commute and transport goods, paving the way for a greener and smarter future. Smart factories are the epitome of modern manufacturing, where machines equipped with AI and IoT, Internet of Things, communicate and make decisions autonomously. These advanced systems monitor production lines, predict maintenance needs, and reduce downtime. With robots handling repetitive tasks and ensuring precision, human workers are free to focus on innovation and creativity, leading to higher productivity and efficiency. In agriculture, drones are transforming how farmers manage their crops. Equipped with cameras, sensors, and GPS, these flying machines provide real-time data on soil health, crop growth, and irrigation needs. Farmers can use this information to make precise adjustments, ensuring optimal use of water, fertilizers, and pesticides. The result is healthier crops, reduced waste, and higher yields, all thanks to the power of machines. Robotic surgery has revolutionized the healthcare industry, allowing doctors to perform minimally invasive procedures with unprecedented precision. Machines like the Da Vinci surgical system enable surgeons to operate through tiny incisions, reducing recovery time and minimizing risks. These robots are also able to perform complex surgeries with a level of accuracy that surpasses human hands, bringing life-saving innovation to hospitals worldwide. The financial industry is embracing artificial intelligence to streamline operations and enhance security. AI-powered systems now handle trading, monitor transactions for fraud, and predict market trends with remarkable accuracy. This automation reduces human error and allows financial institutions to operate 24/7, providing better services and more secure systems for customers. Machines in the finance sector are helping businesses grow their portfolios and protect their assets more effectively. In the retail industry, robots are enhancing both customer experience and operational efficiency. Autonomous shelf scanning robots ensure products are always in stock and properly priced. Additionally, AI-driven chatbots assist customers online, answering queries and guiding them through purchases. These machines are streamlining the entire retail process, from inventory management to customer service, helping businesses grow by providing better experiences for their customers. Construction has always been a labor-intensive industry, but now automated machines are transforming how we build. Self-operating bulldozers, cranes, and 3D printers for construction materials are making it possible to complete large-scale projects faster and with less manual effort. These machines enhance safety on the job site and ensure precision, allowing architects and engineers to push the limits of design while reducing costs and time. The entertainment industry is no stranger to technological innovation, with machines playing a pivotal role in film production, gaming, and virtual reality experiences. CGI technology, for instance, allows filmmakers to create stunning visual effects that transport audiences to new worlds. Motion capture machines are revolutionizing animation, making characters more lifelike than ever before. These machines not only push creative boundaries but also streamline production processes, enabling studios to create breathtaking experiences in less time. The logistics and delivery industry is seeing rapid growth thanks to automated machines and robots. Amazon's robotic fulfillment centers are a perfect example, where robots pick, sort, and pack orders with remarkable speed and accuracy. Drones are also entering the delivery space, with companies testing drone delivery services that can reach customers in record time. These innovations in logistics ensure that supply chains are more efficient, allowing businesses to scale faster while reducing operational costs. Marketing has entered a new era with AI-driven machines that analyze consumer data and predict trends. These systems help marketers design more personalized campaigns, identify potential customers, and optimize content in real time. By automating these processes, businesses can grow their customer base and improve engagement without the need for constant manual input. AI marketing machines are empowering companies to build stronger connections with their audiences. Renewable energy machines such as wind turbines and solar panels are at the forefront of the green revolution. These machines generate clean energy while reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, providing a sustainable solution to the world's growing energy needs. Advances in battery storage and grid management systems are also helping to optimize energy distribution, ensuring that businesses and homes can run on clean energy 24/7. Robotic assistants are now an integral part of the modern office environment. From virtual AI assistants like Siri and Alexa that handle scheduling and reminders to physical robots that assist with data management and reporting, these machines are making the workplace more efficient. They allow employees to focus on creative tasks and strategic thinking, while the robots take care of the time-consuming administrative duties. E-commerce platforms are leveraging machine learning to offer personalized shopping experiences for customers. These AI-driven machines analyze user behavior, suggest products, and even predict future purchases based on past data. This personalization leads to higher customer satisfaction and increased sales, driving growth for online businesses. Machine learning is helping companies tailor their offerings to meet the specific needs of each customer, boosting conversion rates. Warehouses are becoming fully automated thanks to advanced machines like robotic arms, conveyor systems, and AI-driven inventory management. These machines work around the clock to move goods, sort packages, and update stock levels in real time. Automated warehouses reduce the need for manual labor, increase accuracy, and speed up the supply chain, making it easier for companies to meet customer demand and scale their operations globally. In industries like aerospace and automotive, precision engineering machines are vital for ensuring high-quality standards. These machines use lasers, sensors, and AI technology to measure components down to the micron, ensuring every part meets strict specifications. Precision machines have reduced manufacturing defects and increased overall product quality, which is crucial for industries where safety and performance are paramount. The telecommunications industry relies on sophisticated machines to maintain and expand global networks. AI-driven systems manage data traffic, monitor network performance, and troubleshoot issues automatically, ensuring that millions of devices remain connected without interruption. Machines in telecom have not only improved network reliability but also made it possible to deliver faster internet speeds and better mobile coverage. In smart homes, machines like smart thermostats, automated lighting, and security systems are making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. These devices use sensors and AI to learn your preferences and automate routines, from adjusting the temperature to locking the doors at night. Smart home technology is growing rapidly, providing convenience, energy savings, and security for homeowners while transforming how we live and manage our homes. Thanks for tuning into Sam Official Tech. We hope you found this exploration of how machines are transforming industries insightful. From boosting productivity to revolutionizing entire sectors, machines are truly changing the game. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content on the latest in technology. Until next time, keep exploring how machines are shaping the future of work.